Hi everybody, welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So in today's video I wanted to switch it up a little bit. I wanted to do my regular nails. I wanted to do something fun, something summery, and I thought it's summer, it's hot girl summer 2019, and I need to know how to relate. So I was like, okay, I won't be putting on any tips today, so I'll be doing my natural nails. I'll be doing some ombre sets, some very fun summery colors. So firstly, what I do, I will base my nail, my natural nail, with some base coat. I will apply this very thinly. Then I will choose a base color, preferably white or pastel. I usually do one coat of it because I'll be adding polishes on top of this base color. And I will clean up if I have any flaws created when I was doing the base color. And we'll be using these 5 colors. I can't quite remember the names of them. I will add them in the video so you can know what the names are. Very, very beautiful summery colors. Jordana. Watch me do this very fun part. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Which part is your favorite part? Which nail is your favorite nail? While I was doing my nails, I realized when I was sponging it on, the sponge was coming off the nail. So at this point, I didn't know whether or not I should have, clean it up and start it over. But it would have been a long process for me to base coat, use a base color, and then start over. So what I would recommend is to use the sponge that you use to wash the dishes. Cut off the tip of it and use it. It's a better option, because if you look at the nail very closely, you will realize I have some little bubbles in the nail, especially my pinky finger. Now we have come to the more excited part of the video, where I design. Guys, I am not a artistic person. I tried my very best. I tried to come out of my comfort zone in every video that I do. So please pray for me that I'll find. It's not that I will find, that I will find. Not no, that I will find ease in doing this, ease in being artistic, because I find it a great challenge. So don't mind my index finger. I don't know what was going on. But guys, as we come to the end of the video, I just want to say a big thank you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Have a wonderful day.